Hello, in the previous video we have already introduced how to import the standard characters from Mixamo and Unreal Engine 4, and our system will automatically map this character and store the mapping data so that this character can merge with any one of the motions in the animation library. And in this video, let me introduce how to import the standard animations to the Animecraft. And the system will automatically extract the general animation data ACD so that the imported animations can be merged with any one of the character in the character library. So let's do that, and let me continue use this Mixamo, and please register and go to the animation page. And first we need to select any one of the motion in the library. Let's search and walk or run. Okay, and let's select this one. Oh, or this one, running right turn. And let's click the download and download the FBX with or without skin, both fine. Let's download it. And if you exported the assets with skin, you can display the characters in the 3D viewport. So it's downloaded, and let's go back to the Animecraft and go to the animation page, and let's create a new folder. Let's create a Mixamo, and click OK. We needed to make sure we are in the motion page and select the folder we want to import the animation to. And go back to the Mixamo and open the folder and drag and drop this running right turn to the 3D viewport of the Animecraft. So you can see that this character is displaying with the animation playing back. And at this time, you may notice there's the text that successfully created the general animation data ACD file on the bottom of the 3D viewport. That means our system automatically extracted and general animation data from this FBX because you uploaded it in the FBX file. And what is the general animation data? That's a very important concept in Animecraft because an arbitrary FBX cannot be merged with any one of the characters in your character library or exported to an arbitrary character in Maya or Max or Blender. So we needed to extract the general animation data. The general animation data contains some of the mapped or retargeted data so that the ACD file can be exported to an arbitrary character in 3ds Max or the Maya, and merged to any one of the character in the character library. So we have to extract that as an asset, and the green text means our system can automatically map this character and extract the general animation data automatically for you. And if we open the mapping window, you can see our system automatically recognize the bone structure of this character and find the template for this motion data, the FBX data, so the Mixamo ZRT. And once we import this motion data to the Mixamo folder, let's run right, and you can see this assets has been stored with the ACD general animation data inside of the scene. And at this time, you can merge this animation to an arbitrary character in the character library. Let's do that. Let's select this one and enable the merge tool and select any one of the character in the character library, and you can see that this is the merged result. And of course you can export it as an FBX or import it to any one of the platform characters. And let's select any one of the character and other characters. And you can see this is a crocodile and the mannequin in UE4. Okay, everything is working. So without that, the general animation data, we cannot do that. An arbitrary FBX can only be displayed as an independent data. So the general animation data is so important. And And this is the process of how to import the standard animation data to the Animecraft. And you can see this is very simple because we already have the pre-built template for this character, and we can extract the general animation data automatically. And in the coming videos we are going to introduce how to import your custom character and turn it into a standard character with the template, and continue importing the FBX motion capture data to Animecraft. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.